to KPMG. Did you know that we are celebrating our 90th year in KPMG in Malaysia, and we're very, very proud of our legacy. Come follow me and take a look at how we have evolved over the years from 1928 right up to presently. We also have a very up-to-date cyber and digital hub, which I will show you. Come on. But before that, we have our visions and our values is plastered all over the office as well, so you'll be able to see what KPMG stands for. Our cyber and digital hub, where we have the latest machinery and equipment to help our clients combat cybercrime. Come take a look. All the fancy equipment, which I don't really know how to use, but our very efficient staff from advisory will be able to. And something we're very proud of as well. We won the Challenge Trophy during the Screen Regatta last year. Our staff paddled really, really hard in the Viking race and we emerged as champions. So, very proud moment for us. Follow me as we go past some meeting rooms. Start in action. Rows and rows of meeting rooms where our clients meet up with us, and we also have internal meetings with our staff. And this is one of our hangout areas for staff or even our clients to hang out in, together with this area where people can chill out. Our pantry. Let's take a sneak peek at the pantry. Nice wine chiller here. Hi, let me take you to our latest workplace of the future on level 1. Our very, very nice pantry area where staff can also hang out during lunch or when they take a break. Nicely refurbished place. Lots of drinks for them to choose from, and it's all subsidized. So this is our open concept office. Say hello everybody. Don't be shy, say hello to the camera. Okay, and we also have a lot of meeting rooms and meeting areas for our people to discuss in private or just have a chat. Again, another common area. Say hello everybody. Wave to the camera. We also have very innovative workplace where if you're tired of sitting, you can actually stand while working. Yeah? This desk is meant to be used while standing, and it's adjustable in height for those who are taller or shorter. And then we have somebody who's actually using the table. Say hi! These are our quiet area when people need to focus during their work. Sorry to disturb. Some more rooms for our partners. Open area, hot desking for our people to choose from whenever they come into the office. And also manager's workstation for a little bit more privacy and discussion with their staff. Hello. There's also these private booths where you can have special discussions while using the TV screen as a projector for presentations. So these private booths can be used anytime, and there are plenty to choose from. And there you go. This is our office of the future, which we hope to replicate in other floors.